Well, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And it's going to be a good day today, I think, because I'm going to do an uncrating or an unboxing, whatever you want to call it. I've managed to source something rather special for the GL1000 project. And what's in this crate must be the only, or if not the only, one of only a handful of parts for a GL1000 that are still left in its original packing crate, which has come from Japan. And basically what I've managed to find is an original OEM GL1000 exhaust. So I'm going to unbox this on camera and we're going to take a look at it and see what I've got. I've been looking out for one of these for as long as I can remember. These things are obviously no longer available new, and they are rarer than unicorn poo, to be perfectly honest. So I'm hoping that when I unbox this, it's going to look as nice as I hope. So yeah, let's get on with it and find out. Those of you that have watched anything on the channel know that I'm a bit of a stickler for originality, so hence the reason why I've been looking for one of these for so long. Yeah, so I almost don't want to open it in a way, because like I say, I can't imagine there's many of these left in the crate. Well, I can't imagine there's any, or virtually no, new OEM ones, let alone ones that are still in the packing crate. So I'm going to take the crate apart carefully because I want to put it back, because obviously it's going to be a while before I get around to using this. But the reason for me taking this out is obviously to make sure that it's okay, but also I have bought some headers which look in good condition, but I think one of them might be off a later bike or a later model, so I just want to make sure that does actually fit on this exhaust before I go any further. So anyway, stop waffling, Steve, get on with it. Let's get this apart if we can. So I want to be a little bit careful because I want to put it back in this crate afterwards. Hoping if I get this middle slat off, it's not going to come out like that. I think we're going to have to take this one off as well. I got this from a chap over on the east coast of the UK, and he'd had it in his shed for years and years. He had a GL1000 and he sold that, and he went on to ride BMWs, but I think he'd just basically forgotten about this. And so I've been looking for a long time, never saw one come up anywhere, occasionally in America, but not in very good condition. So I put a message out on one of their Facebook groups. Oops. And lo and behold, a chap contacted me and said, I think my mate's got one of those sat in the back of his shed. Here's his phone number. Give him a ring. And to be honest, he wasn't actually that keen on selling it. But thankfully for me, he did. Right, let's have a look. Oh, wow. Oh, we've got a bag of bits as well. What have we got in here? Okay, so, oh, okay. So it looks as though we've got, look at that, in the original Honda Original Honda bags, look. So they're the mounting brackets. What's written on there? Okay, so there's that'll be the original part number. Something written on there. Okay. That's good. I'm not going to have to source those. What else have we got? Okay. So these will be the pieces, the packing pieces that go inside the end of the exhaust before the headers go on. Wow. So we've got 2 of those as well. Okay. That is even better news. Put those in there. So I know where they are. That's fantastic. Right. That to one side. Let's see if we can get this out, see what sort of state it's in. It's the chrome on the tailpieces I'm interested in as well. Yeah, so we've got original bits of plastic over the studs that hold the exhaust onto the bike. We've got presumably the original packing around the connectors here. Oops. Yeah, they'll look in good condition. Yeah, I mean this looks, well, it is brand new. Now, the bit I'm really interested in is the chrome on these. There's a bit of condensation on these at the minute because I've just brought this in from a shed, my shed, and it's cold outside and it's quite warm in here. But basically, that is absolutely perfect. Let's just turn that over. Yeah, there's absolutely not a mark on that. Wow, that's fantastic. Okay, let's just check the other end piece. Yeah, it's got a little bit of bluing on it just where so it's cold, but that is absolutely spotless. There's not a mark on that. Right, let me see if I can get the whole thing out and stand it up. There we go, in all its glory. If we have a look down the ends of these where the baffles are, look at that, absolutely brand spanking new. That is amazing. I can see why they moved away from this on the later models, and on some of the later ones all they had was a 2-piece exhaust either side with a balance shaft in the centre rather than all of this gubbins. These were known for rotting through, hence the reason that lots of wings have aftermarket exhausts on them. But like I said, I'm a bit of a stickler for originality, and I'm sure I paid over the odds for this, if I'm honest with you, but frankly I don't care. I want it to look right. So there you go. It's a good day in the office, as they say. It's going to be a long time since until we see this again, because obviously I've got the rest of the bike to put back together yet. It's still over there and it's just bare frame state, but one of the other videos we had a look at all the bits and pieces that are all done or getting done and being put back together and all the rest of it. So slowly but surely it's coming together. Still got a box of bits down there I need to sort out, but we'll get there slowly but surely. But I am looking forward to getting this up and running sometime around spring, hopefully. So Yep. So keep watching the channel. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.